And I just want to just put a plug in real quick. This is the chick flick book that I read. It's called Idaho Brides, and the reason why I picked it up was because I went to Mardel's and they had this huge, there's something to be said for having a lot of estrogen and then finding a really good sale.
I'm going to check out, folks.
But when I went to Mardel's, and I actually went there for something else for the kids, but they had this huge display of just books and books and books and books and more books. And all of them, you ready for this, Sheena? They were all $1. Yes, ma'am. So, and I keep forgetting I need to go back to Mardel's to see if they're still there. Yeah, exactly. But they were all $1, and it was not just Idaho. I think there was like Montana, and I don't think they were all bride books, but they were all romance, historic. But the thing is, they're historical fiction, and they take place in some. I think there were a few that might have been contemporary, but most of them took place either in the Old West or maybe back in the 1800s or the early 1900s, but there was like Montana, Arizona, and a couple of other states. It was just like different states. So I think they're progressing. I didn't see Texas, which I thought was a sacrilegious tragedy, and I made that clear to the sales associate who was there, and who laughed as she walked off. She thought I was funny, but I was kind of serious.
She doesn't write them. I mean, come on.
I know, but they're all different authors. This one was really cool. Each book is a book of 3. It's one paperback, 3 books, and in this particular one, it was the same author for all 3 books. Sometimes the way that is, sometimes the way it's not. If you go on Amazon.com, you'll see where it says, similar books, and you'll see all the other state books. And then I recommend this one was really good. It took you back to the time period where the stagecoaches were being robbed quite a bit. So there was that action, and then there was that, is he going to fall for her? Is she going to fall for him? And so then they would have their little moments. So that was the female part. But the historical part was being back in that time. For this book, it took place near a ranch, on a ranch. Took place in the Old West. So you're visiting those old towns. Some were nicer than others. And the lady who wrote this, she knew her verbiage. Evidently, she had grown up with knowledge of the Old West, so she was using the verbiage that you would recognize from that time. So when I read the book, I felt like I was transported back to that era. And so, I love those kind of books where I feel like I'm transported to another place in time. Sometimes that's in the future, and sometimes that's in the past. So, Isaac Asimov going in the future, in the past, Eric Vetch, however her name is. So I deeply recommend. Go to Mardel's, see if they still have those books for $1. If they're not $1, they're like $3.99. So it's still a really good steal.